Hello and welcome to the 2D AI Object Detection on Device tool video in the Signova series. In this tutorial I will show you how you can easily sort several objects in one image into multiple classes. We will collect sample images and train the tool directly on the camera. After the detection, we will count the objects and verify their position. This time I will use a box of chocolates. I want to detect that each position of the tray is filled with the correct variant. To follow along, get yourself an Inspector 830 with the Signova sensor app and a box of chocolate that differ in shape, color or structure. Your local SIG sales representative is happy to support you. My Inspector 830 is mounted parallel to the table with a distance of around 40 centimeters. It's connected to my PC using the USB-C service interface, but Ethernet works fine as well. To access the user interface, open a web browser like Microsoft Edge and enter the default IP address of the USB connection 169.254.0.1. In Signova, you can store configurations for multiple applications called jobs. For common applications, we offer predefined job templates where the recommended tools are already configured. Let's start solving this application from scratch. So I select Empty Job and confirm with Create. My device is equipped with the Intelligent Inspection Toolset license, so I can use all tools, including the AI tools, unrestricted. The currently licensed toolset is stated in the bottom left of the user interface. If you have a sensor with a Quality Inspection Toolset license, the AI tools can still be tested for a trial period. Once satisfied with the results, just order the Intelligent Inspection Upgrade license for unlimited use. At the top right, you can see I'm already in configure mode to apply tools and adjust them. To see the live image, click the play button below the image. Place the chocolate box in the expected position in the field of view. In case your image is not as sharp and valid as mine, take a look at the image acquisition on Inspector 830 tutorial. In case the position of the tray varies, use the object locator to ensure a correct starting point. In my chocolate tray application, I assume that the placement is quite repeatable, so I will go without the object locator for now. Now let's detect the different chocolate variants. First, we will mark them manually in several images and then train the AI. At Analysis on the left, select Add Tool, Count and Find, and AI Object Detection. Click Add Active Image on the right to collect the first image. In the pop-up window, rename Class 1 to Red. And confirm with Rename. Click on a red chocolate. Resize the object radius to match its size and move the circle to the exact position. Now mark all other red chocolates. Click Add Class and repeat these steps for all remaining variants. I set the object detection level to high, since the differences between different types of chocolates are quite small. I also activate Train on Rotated Copies, as the orientation of my objects can vary. Select Confirm to start the AI training. Wow, it looks like the AI does already identify all chocolates correctly. When I go to live mode and move the chocolates around, I see that the detection sometimes fails. Click Add Active Image. Click Auto Annotate. Use the sliders to adjust the thresholds so that all objects are classified correctly. Click Accept. If needed, you can also use the manual annotation to correct mistakes. I again select Confirm to start the AI training. Repeat these steps for a few more images. With these few added variations, the AI object detection works really robust. Now let's verify that all chocolates are placed in the correct mold of the tray. Therefore, I use the position verifier. First, make sure that the chocolates are all in the correct position. At Analysis, select Add Tool, Verify and Position Verifier. On the right, set Objects to AI Object Detection Detections from the drop-down menu. Click Set Reference Object to teach the current chocolate tray arrangement as reference. Each chocolate center of gravity is marked with an X. The boxes indicate the allowed position tolerance. If needed, you can adjust it. When the chocolates are in the correct positions, the boxes are green. Now let's test if it works as expected. When I remove one chocolate, its position is marked red. Now I switch chocolates. Great, this error is also recognized. With everything correct, all boxes are marked green again. Wow, that was easy yet impressive, wasn't it? Classification and position verification of all individual chocolates with only a handful of training images. The 2D AI object detection tool can be used in a wide range of industries and applications. For example, counting objects in package assembly and verifying assembly and manufacturing. In other words, wherever you need to make sure that the right thing is in the right place, in case your application is more time-critical or complex, so more classes or more variation within your objects, you can scale up to the SIG DStudio Cloud service in combination with the SIG Nova Object Detection DStudio tool in SIG Nova. This is a topic for another tutorial. If you can't wait to get started, get in touch with your local SIG sales representative now to find out more about the incredible world of SIG Nova.